Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you whenever you are running the AMD software, if you get this error, the code execution cannot process because opencl.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program was fix this problem. If you get this error, I give some steps you will try to in this problem fix it. And if you get this error message, just you hit the OK to away from this error. Then let's go to do it that steps one by one. Okay. Solution 1, uninstall the AMD software from device manager. So we can go to Windows search bar and type device manager. We can go to click on to open the device manager and choose the display adapter and expand. Just click on the AMD software and right click and choose the properties. Then we can go to click on the camera driver tab. Then scroll down. Then we can go to click on the uninstall device. Don't worry, it is safe. Just after that, hit the OK to close it. Then we can come to back from device manager. Then we can go to try next solution. Run AMD cleanup utility. So we need browser. So open and search the AMD cleanup utility and click on this website. Just you click on this link. If you get the AMD cleanup utility software, just click to open and run. Just hit the yes to open it, run. This instruction provided in this website. Just you are one time watch to. After that you are run the software. Then we can go to try next step for disable Windows security. So sometimes if you update your AMD software, it is automatically it will delete corrupted files or mistaken files. So first of max or disable the Windows security. After that you will go to run. So how to disable the Windows security, I go to show you. Just click to open the Windows security and click on the virus and threat protection and scroll down. You can click on the manage settings. If this real time protection is turn it on, simply turn it off. After that we can go to try. After we go to run the AMD software, then update the AMD software. So go to your browser. We need browser. So search the AMD software, download, search in your browser. Just click on this visit website and scroll down and click on the download software. Then scroll down. You can click to download and Windows drivers. You can click on the download Windows driver and back to run the that AMD software. If you did to update the latest version, after that you can go to restart our system. Then we should have solved this problem. Also, if you have any doubt, go to the comment section and leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. And don't forget, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.